It is concerning. It is a lot of people in the population that will need help.
Amid a fragile healthcare system in Quebec, the province is faced with yet another challenge. The number of Quebecers living with a neurocognitive disorder, such as Alzheimer's, could surpass 360,000 by 2050, which is more than twice the current amount.
It is worrisome, the number of people that will live with the disease going forward. And it's a massive impact for the government, for the healthcare system, but also for the workforce and all the families that will need support.
Rachel Samson, Director of Research and Innovation at Fédération Québécoise des Sociétés Alzheimer, says one of the main challenges is being able to provide care in a timely manner for everyone that needs it, the people with the disease and caregivers as well.
It's just the sheer number of people needing help and all sorts of help at in different ways, whether it's to be able to stay home longer or finding a place to stay because the disease has advanced too far in stages. The care for people and for the healthcare system to help out everyone is going to be incredible. It's massive.
Samson explained that aging is the main risk factor for developing the disease.
The older a person is, the greater the probability of developing the disease is. So with the aging population, more and more individuals will unfortunately develop the disease.
Early diagnosis can be very beneficial in cases like this.
Early diagnostic is very important for many reasons. In part, certain treatment work better early, but also because you can make lifestyle changes. Exercising and stimulating the brain just by being with your friends and talking is one way. Going outside, like just stimulating the brain in many ways is very helpful in prolonging healthy aging and the earlier phase of the disease for as long as possible, but also diagnosing early can allow you to make changes in the life so that you can continue preserve it longer.
People with Alzheimer's need home support, and the minister responsible for seniors, Sonia Bélanger, is focused on making that a priority, hoping to present a national home support policy sometime in 2025.
The government is working on ministerial plans to help bring an increase in support to help individuals to stay at their home in their living environment. The government is working hard at changing and making adaptations to the system so that it can bring help at home more effectively, rapidly, and better suited to the needs of the people living with the disease as well as their caregiver.
The Quebec economy is also impacted by the increasing numbers of people with neurocognitive disorders. For every person living with the disease, 2 caregivers are needed, which puts pressure on the job market. Individuals sometimes leave their jobs in order to care for a loved one.
There's a lot of stigma associated with the disease, and it's important to know that having the disease is not the end of life. It is not a sentence. You can live many more years, not healthy because you have the disease, but you can live well for many more years with the disease. It is not the end.
In Montreal, Adriana Gentile, City News.